that. Reversing now.
Crates look good. Barcode scan's clean.
Load stable. Heading inside.
Easy. Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Head's near the window. I'm keeping pressure with the hook.
Good. Send it down there.
He's calm tongue flicking. That's a good sign.
Straps locked. Ready for the next one?
Once the snakes reach the holding wing, handlers guide them into individual enclosures. Each space is tuned like an instrument, temperature and humidity adjusted to mirror the conditions they thrive in.
One by one, the crates glide along the guided rollers, sensors pulsing blue as they pass. Inside, the snakes shift, restless in their wooden enclosures. Ahead,
check the eyes, jaw alignment, and scale condition first. See that iridescence? Good hydration.
Heartbeat steady. No wheeze in the lungs either.
Great. Scan for the microchip, then tag it for lot 46.
Chip reads clean. Lid sequence.
As each serpent glides beneath the gantry, sheets of light map every ridge of scale. Length, weight, hydration, and color fidelity are verified in seconds. An alert flags a rough patch, and
each approved snake is transferred into the immobilization chamber, a controlled, humane environment designed to keep them calm and still. The platform cradles the body, sensors track every vital sign, and
within the sealed chamber, a measured flow of anesthetic gas is released. Feather-light ribbons settle around each snake, slowing their breath without alarming them. In moments, muscles...
Tray 1, Python. Tags active. Scanning. Got it. Moving to Bay A. Copperhead next. Steady on the clamps.
High-pressure jets deliver a precise, cool rinse, sweeping away grit and loose scales from each snake's surface. The water beads along the armor of overlapping scales, carrying debris into the drainage channels and leaving these.
Guided by cameras and lasers, the arms cradle the reptile as if it were glass. First the head, then the midsection, each rotation measured to the millimeter. Clamps rise.
A pair of crescent blades closes around the body, senses the spine, and sweeps the length of the snake in one unbroken glide. The skin lifts away as a single sheet, routed to its own line, while the clean flesh moves on.
Once separated, the shed skins are handled with care, their delicate patterns inspected and recorded. Each piece is dried, weighed, and labeled before being packed. These natural materials are collected for use in other...
Guided by a precision scan, the robotic instruments slip effortlessly through the snake's armored scales. Each organ is isolated, lifted, and removed with millimeter accuracy. Their place is sealed with a cool pulse of light.
Once the organ is removed, an articulated arm transfers it to a sealed biohazard container. These containers move along a dedicated conveyor to the incineration chamber.
A fine antimicrobial rinse coats the snake meat, reaching into every groove of the scales. The solution breaks down surface bacteria while leaving the delicate flesh intact.
The serpents glide into position. Sensors lock on, clamps set, and a fine red laser marks each portion. Then the blades drop. Fast, exact, almost certain.
Each snake is broken down into identical segments, every cut precise and clean. Uniform cylinders, ready for the pan or the skewer, arranged like polished beads on the board. A sprinkle of salt.
Smaller sections of the snake are trimmed and cubed. Each piece is sized for efficient grinding. The cuts are fed into the stainless steel grinder where the auger pulls them through the chilled plate. Fresh, fine meat.
Each long strip is trimmed and shaped, leaving only the supple, boneless meat. The fillets are weighed, fanned neatly, then sealed under vacuum to lock in natural moisture and shine.
Each offcut from the snake cutting process is gathered, rinsed, and dried. Nothing goes to waste. These patterned fragments become ingredients for new stories, like textured leather chips for crafts or...
Portions of the snake meat glide toward a blast of sub-zero air. As they enter the chilling tunnel, vapor spills out, icing the surface in seconds.
Fibers look uniform, no signs of tearing.
Measurements holding at 14.3 millimeters. That's consistent with the spec.
Good, let's log it and tag this batch for release.
On it.
Each portion of snake meat is swept by a lattice of lasers. The scanners map moisture, fiber strength, and micro tears in real time. When flaws are detected, the system flags the section. Each approved cut moves forward, ready for its flavor. Sea salt first, then a spark of chili, warm turmeric, garden herbs, a twist of pepper. Finally, a cascade of fragrant marinade bathes every piece, letting the seasonings bloom. In moments, the seat.
Fresh cut snake meat, coiled and chilled the moment it's prepared. Each piece is vacuum sealed to lock in that clean, delicate flavor. Some cuts get a whisper of paprika, turmeric, and rosemary.
Each coil is weighed to the gram. We want every package to be consistent. Once we hit the target weight, the portion goes into its tray, sealed under clear film, and labeled with a unique code and date. That way, every customer gets exactly what they expect.
Country Precision Robotic set each portion in place, coils of tender snake meat arranged like fine ribbon. The conveyor carries them forward for their next step. A vacuum seal draws the
snake hair is the enemy of freshness.
By drawing it out and heat sealing the pouch, every coil of snake meat is locked away from oxygen, moisture, and contamination. The result?
Each vacuum sealed portion moves under the applicator. Here, a label goes on, complete with barcode, farm ID, harvest date, and a QR code that holds the full journey. Scan it, and you know where the...
As each pack of snake meat enters the tunnel, sensors bathe it in alternating fields. The system spots a tiny shard of metal hidden in the coils. A pusher diverts the suspect package for inspection.
Each vacuum-sealed cut rolls under the printer, receiving its date and lot code. The labeling system records every package as it passes. On the shelves, workers scan the codes, updating inventory.
Temperature's holding at -3. We're good to pack.
Perfect. First layer going in.
Last one on top,
All right,
and
sealing.
that's snug.
Label ready. Box off the storage.
Color and firmness look right. I'll log it for recheck. Temperature steady at 1.3.
The final HACCP checkpoint. Every batch of snake meat is probed, logged, and verified. Temperature, microbial load, heavy metals, pH, and...
Lining up for Bay 3.
Got it. Keep it straight.
Pallets in.
Perfect. Set it down.
Clear. Backing out.
Locked and cold. Next truck?
On its way.
From the moment it's loaded, every crate of snake meat is tracked and protected. GPS-linked sensors watch the route, logging temperature in real time and alerting our control center if conditions drift. The cold chain stays under.
At first light, the trailer's sealed tight and the convoy heads out. Inside, chilled crates of coiled cuts ride on a breath of frost. Down the long highway, 4 rigs carry...
Got it. Reading -17.9. Still solid.
Slide it on middle shelf Bay 4. I'll log it once it's in.
Done. Data syncing. Stored and stable.
Nice.
Ordered by chefs around the world, the rattlesnake loin is portioned with precision, chilled and sealed. Insulated boxes leave the dock, bound for kitchens that turn the uncommon into the unforgettable. Tonight,
color's even, no blood pooling.
Labels intact. Harvest dates 2 days ago.
Temp?
1.3. Right in the pocket.
Smells clean, flesh is firm.
Good seal. No swell.
It's perfect. Let's get it on ice.
Look at that seal.
Beautiful. All right, let's see the goods.
Careful, the box is still at -4.
Oh, it's holding. Look at that sheen, like polished mahogany.
And the spice sachet smells
In this kitchen, broth is treated like gold. Aromatic herbs mingle with long-simmered bones, while snake is gently seared to capture its wild character. Together, they create a bowl.
Cilantro, crisp and fragrant, gets a quick chop. Sweet cherry tomatoes, bright as rubies. Chilies and garlic, a little heat, a little bite. Thai basil sliced into ribbons that curl in the breeze. All of it ready to meet.
Each coil of snake flesh is drawn across the blade, yielding paper-thin sheets. The slices are gathered, layered like silk, and slipped into a clear, aromatic broth. As they blush and turn translucent, the soup takes on their...
At 37 degrees Fahrenheit, the meat rests in a bath that's just cool enough to keep it safe while coaxing it out of its frozen state. The probe confirms the temperature. Circulated water keeps it even, no hot spots, no...
has settled into a steady bubble, drawing out the oils from the chilies and the sweetness of the star anise. Snake meat, seared and coiled, is now giving up its richness to the stock.
Listen to that sizzle. Garlic, chilies, lime. The snake's taking on a beautiful color.
Smells incredible from over here.
Sweet, smoky, a little citrus. It's almost ready. There. Glazed, plated, and still singing.
Move and let that broth hit every coil.
Got it. Snake's soaking up the spice already.
Little cilantro, squeeze a lime, brightens it right up.
Smells wild. Let's taste.
Balanced, smoky, just enough heat.
Give it one last swirl. Perfect.
Sized. Snake meat on its own is delicate and deeply savory. Drop in an armful of mushrooms, shiitake, king oyster, little strands of enoki, and the broth.
Just a whisper of basil on the crown and a petal for color. A few drops of the reduction. There. Snake, autumn pumpkin, citrus herb, complete.
A shard of fried snake skin crowns the meat like porcelain, thin but crackling. Golden garlic and shallot rain down, chili flakes spark little embers. Crisp meat's tender and the dish comes alive.
Coming through, careful with the tray.
I can smell it already.
Here we
Steaming
are.
snake meat soup, fresh from the wok.
Wow, look
Lid
at that.
coming off.
That aroma. Enjoy, folks.
It's so tender, like it melts before you even chew.
And that silky pull, almost like fish, but richer. I love it.
Let's go for another.
What's that say?
Best thing we've eaten this year. Compliments to the chef from table 4. Ha! That's the snake? Beautiful.
They loved it, chef.
You two nailed it. Keep that fire going. Makes all the prep worth it. Let's send the next one out just like this.
Yeah, the fillet sold out again last night. Let's add another 20 kilos. Same supplier, same grade. Need them by Thursday.
Copy that. We'll load extra onto the truck.
Beautiful. These portions look perfect. Snake fillet with herb reduction.
Every sale tells a story. Here, in the heart of the factory, those stories flow back as data, highlighting which snakes customers love, where demand is rising.
From carefully maintained water farms to sterile processing rooms, each step is designed for health and respect. The snakes are logged, cooled, and portioned with precision.